The most popular truck accessory on the market today, tonneau covers are found on every truck make and model on the road. They offer excellent protection to keep your stuff out of the elements, away from rain, snow, and harsh winds. They can also keep your gear hidden and locked away, out of sight and out of mind. With all the styles out there, which one best suits your needs? Soft folding covers are top sellers due to their low price, good weather protection, and fast and easy installation. Another cost-effective option is soft roll-up covers. They're designed for maximum water resistancy, and they also provide full bed access. Hard folding covers offer the best of everything with their full bed access and lightweight aluminum construction that keeps out more than just the weather. Retractable covers have a sleek, low-profile design, and most of them can lock anywhere along the rail, making them great for fifth-wheel towing and hauling cargo. Other cover types include hard rolling, heavy duty, painted, and snap covers. At RealTruck.com, watch our video reviews for a virtual hands-on look before you buy, compare with other covers on the market, and discover our other resources to take the guesswork out of finding the right cover for you. RealTruck stands behind you, from inspiration to installation.